Hey guys, in today's lesson we're going to look at the finger numbers and how we'll use them in a simple 5-finger exercise. Let's go! So with the finger numbers, we're going to start with our thumbs, and the thumbs are going to be 1. The index finger is going to be 2. Middle is going to be 3. The ring finger is going to be 4. And our pinkies are going to be finger 5. And now we'll use these fingers to play 5 notes on the keyboard starting from C. We're going to play C, D, E, F, and G. So with our right hand, we're going to play C with our thumb. That's finger 1. Finger 2 plays D. Finger 3 plays E. Finger 4 plays F. And finger 5 plays G. And the exercise, we can repeat this and play it how many times that we want to play it. So C, D, E, F, G, and back down F, E, D, C. Now for the left hand, we'll be starting on the pinky. And the pinky is, as we know, finger 5. The pinky is going to start on C. And we'll play C, D, E, F, G, and back as well. So let's go. Pinky's on C, C, D, E, F, and G. And then we go all the way back down. F, E, D, C. So that's all, guys. Keep practicing.